OpenAI says that ChatGPT-5 hallucinates 26% of the time. If you're embedding AI into core products or work in heavily regulated industries such as financial services or healthcare, that's real risk. So when AI gives you an answer that you know is wrong, the one question you should never ask it is why it got it wrong. It won't know. Generative AI creates an answer using statistical tokens. What it doesn't do is go back and look at its prior answer and figure out where it got it wrong. That's what a human would do. So what do you do when you have an answer from AI that you know is mistaken? There are two practical steps you can take. The first, ask the question again, but add some additional context that you think it may have missed the first time. Secondly, ask it to show its steps and to give a confidence rating to each of the steps. That will force it to be more methodical and will also provide an audit trail, which will be useful for anybody in the audit function or compliance. Those are two practical steps you can use to make AI more useful, better governed, and hopefully a lot less frustrating. I'm Chris Cook from Black Box Zero. AI confidence, control, and competitive advantage for you.